Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn algebra. So let's get started. So the first term is variable. A variable is a quantity that may change within the context of a mathematical problem or experiment. Typically we use a single letter to represent a variable. So here you can see C is a variable because we don't know the value of C and we don't know the value of R either. So how we actually use variable is, suppose we have dash plus 3 is equal to 5. So when we were like small, we used to get these type of problems. Dash plus 3 is equal to 5. So we know that the answer is 2. So it means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Instead of 5 being missing, we got 2 as missing. So in this case, instead of dash we are going to write any alphabet like x. So we are going to write like x plus 3 is equal to 5. So here x represents that it is an unknown value. It can be anything, like just how dash represents it, like it's an unknown value like that. Constant, something invariable or unchanging, such as a number that has a fixed value in a given situation. So here you can see constants 7 and 12. So here we know that the number is 7, so we know that the value is 7 only, it cannot be changed. So here we have other examples like 1, 5, 7, 77, 17, 107, etc. A term is a single mathematical expression. It may be a single number, positive or negative, a single variable, a letter, several variables multiplied but never added or subtracted. So here you can see we have an algebraic expression. Here we have 2x plus 4y minus 9. So here we have constant and these two are variables. And here we have terms as 2x, 4y and 9. So here these are like separated, like this is one term, this is another, and this is another, like that. Numerical coefficient. The numerical coefficient is a constant multiplier of the variables in a term. In a term minus 5x to the raised power of 2y, the numerical coefficient is minus 5. So here we have these two variables and here the numerical coefficient is 5 here. Oh, actually I also colored the variable. Let me just, so this is the numerical coefficient 5. So in this case here the numerical coefficient is 7. Like terms. In algebra, the like terms are defined as the terms that contain the same variable which is raised to the same power. So here you can see we have 2x plus 19x. So here you can see that we have same variables which is x and x, which is raised to the same power which is 1, and we don't actually care about these constants, which is the numerical coefficient. So here we don't care about that. They could be different, but we care about the variables. So for example, if we had 17x plus 17y, so here you can see that the numerical coefficients are equal but the variables are different, x and y. So these cannot be like terms. These are unlike terms. I'm going to say that what that means. Just a minute. So if we have another example like 17x to the raised power of 2 plus 18x to the raised power of 3. So here numerical coefficients are completely different. And pause the video and tell me whether, like, you can see that the variables are same, but you pause the video and guess whether this is a like term or an unlike term. So yeah, this is an unlike term because you can see the powers are different, and here it is showed raised to the same power. So you may be thinking, what is unlike terms? Let me just show you. Unlike terms, algebraic terms which does not have the same literal coefficient and cannot be raised to the same power are called unlike terms. So you can see these are the examples of unlike terms. So those examples which I showed you were unlike terms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my both channels, Education Now and Fun Now.